everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. I've flown with my family, and what is that? Sarah. So when I say family, Sarah is also flying with me today, along with Shruti, who's on the cam. We are trying to keep this a very scenic flight. We'll be flying over the French island and the Phillip Island. I'm sure you'll enjoy the flight. See you on the runway.
Airborne Cherokee also going to the training area, clear for takeoff.
Cockpit traffic, clear for takeoff from Quebec Mike.
See that bridge now? It is exactly our wingtip now, the front, the leading edge. That little bridge you can see from here, that's the bridge we crossed. This is mainland and that is the island.
See the bridge?
210. You'll see 21. Now?
617, contact departure from 18.19. 18.19,
Can you spot some penguins for me, Shruti? On Phillip Island? I can see the bridge now here.
Yeah, it's... they want to live
No, I'm good. I'll take it in some time.
Yep.
Pilot traffic, Romeo Quebec Mike is over the field at 4,400 feet. Overflying the field, tracking Yaina, York, Moina and Morabin in the north. Pilot traffic. Can you see that air? You can't see that airport. Left, center, right, right. 28, 28, 335. पानी वानी कुछ है? Again, your French island. Ah, yeah, give me. Ah, there. Grey Warrior Romeo Quebec Mike is approaching Carum at 1,600 feet. Received. Romeo inbound.
Quebec Mike, Robert Tower, join downwind, runway 17 right.
Downwind, runway 17 right, Romeo Quebec Mike.
Romeo Quebec Mike, clear to land.
Clear to land, Romeo Quebec Mike.